What's up YouTube? My name is JR aka the Sinister Camaro and welcome to my channel. Thank you for stopping by and I hope you're having a wonderful day. This is my very first video that I made for this channel and I thought it would be the best if I would be able to start off with a little Q&A I guess about myself so you get to know me, the channel, and things to expect in the future videos. First off, who am I? I'm just a guy from a small town in North Carolina. I do IT for a living, but I like to customize cars and trucks and play video games. I'm happily married. We have a 2-year-old Siberian Husky named Loki, who's a mess. Down the road, we'll have him in the videos, basically when they can get used to being on camera and all that good stuff. But for now, you get me. I know it's a bummer, but trust me, it's going to be fun. I have a fully customized Chevy Camaro that I like to call the Sinister Camaro, and a lifted Chevy truck too, which we will be seeing in other videos. Over the years, we've taken both of them all over the couple states, North Carolina, South Carolina, Virginia as well. We met some amazing people, and along the way ran into issues with our build too. After seeing how frustrating it was not being able to afford the perfect part for my build or not finding the right shop to take it to that could do it just right, I felt like I needed to do something, not just something for me, but something to help out the automotive community as a whole. With that being said, that's why I came up with the idea to start building up my social media with a bunch of like-minded people. I've been to a countless number of shops to get work done to see how they could treat custom car builders like myself. I've been to some that were good, some that were bad, which I'm able to help others to not make that mistakes that I did. We, meaning you, the Sinister Camaro Army, raised money for a family that I'd never even seen in person because they simply did awesome work on my build. Plus, I mean, nobody likes the thought of our loved ones getting sick, all the medical bills piling up, so we wanted to kind of do something for them. So basically, at first, I tried to get the build into one of the biggest automotive events of the year. If you never heard of it, it's called SEMA. It takes place in Las Vegas, Nevada. From where I am, it's about a 5-hour flight from where I am, and the car drive I couldn't even imagine. So the people who's actually done it, bless you, because I couldn't do it myself. But we got so close. The car didn't make it this year, but so I thought I had to think long and hard about what I need to do in order to help the family in need. So I worked with my friends and you guys to try to help raise money. I went to my friends over at the Car Audio Security in Wake Forest, North Carolina, and we basically gave away about $500 worth of jail audio equipment. We also raised over $500 money to give to him. So basically money out of pocket, but it was a great cause, and I thank you all for helping with that. So we did 2 things in one. We helped with medical bills for a friend of ours who's very thankful. I mean, he was so happy to have that, so thank you all that contributed to that. And we also helped another person with their build as well. So it's like a win-win situation. I don't think it could have gone any better than that. So hopefully with this platform, I can do bigger giveaways, help you guys out, help people out in need at the same time, and grow as a business, as a I don't know, I wouldn't call it business. I'd say more like a family, so that we can help more people out, so we can do bigger builds, so we can just have there's just so much that would be going on. So the part that meant the most to me was just seeing the face of the family that we helped, just seeing the look of excitement, the tears of joy running down their faces. It really hit home for me. So that's where basically that was one of the reasons why I started this YouTube channel, was to help people, because I knew it was something I needed to do. As far as what's the channel going to be, this channel is going to be like a mixture of a lot of things. It's going to be daily vlogs, custom build features, mine and other people as well. Some gaming's thrown in there. I'm gonna throw a little IT knowledge at you just so that you're protected online, because I care about you guys, and what you do on there is very important to me, because I don't want to see anybody getting taken advantage of with these scammers, because there's a bunch of them still going around. Most of all, like I said before, it's a platform to help others. So I've seen what YouTube can do to give a person a platform to reach so many other people around the world. It is with a platform that I hope to be able to get to help others to grow as a person and have fun doing what I love. I know this channel is going to be tough. I know the amount of time and effort that needs to be put into the channel for it to be successful, but with your help, I know we can make that happen. Let's see, another point, where do I see this channel going in the future? I see this channel helping a few people with giveaways I plan on doing, both giving away and giving away proceeds to others. So it's like I'm gonna keep that win-win up. So it's gonna be for you guys, and it's gonna make me feel a lot better about what we're doing. We're gonna do some fundraisers to get involved with next year. We're already working with a couple of people like the Camaro and the Shocker, who you'll probably meet in later videos. But we're all thankful to be able to help so many people with our builds and our themes and all that good stuff. I can't wait to meet all of you, definitely. If this goes well, maybe I can get me a trailer, go to some shows out of state, see you guys, see you all over the country, maybe even all over the world at some point. That's something I'd definitely like to do as well. We're also gonna document builds, so if I can get the money to do it, maybe we buy some cars, work on them ourselves, document the whole entire process. It'll be like a build between the two of us, and maybe if you see it out, you can see all the work that you guys have put into it and all your comments and everything that led up to the final product. So that'd be even great. A goal of mine that I'd like to have for next year, I don't know if it's going to happen or not, but we're definitely going to try, because without trying, you're going to fail regardless. But SEMA 2019, car, truck, both, I mean, who knows what's going to happen. If we can hook up with some awesome sponsors, then I'm sure that we can get the one or both of them out there. The videos I plan on making soon are going to be with like special guests, with their builds, walk-arounds of my Sinister Camaro build, walk-around of the truck build. I've also got a brand new PC project which I actually used to make this video that I figured some of you might want to know what I've got powering, I guess, all my uploads and editing and streams and all that stuff. So we'll go into that. Some tech tips on how to stay safe on social media, things to look out for, how to apply for sponsorships is another idea. Tips for attending SEMA, because it was our first year. We learned a lot from it, so we want to give that to you. My first impressions of SEMA, my wife's first impressions, if I can get her on camera. Game streams with friends and fans, because that's the way I can connect with you guys without actually being able to go halfway across the country to meet some of you, because I know I've got fans all over the globe, which I'm very thankful for, so thank you so much for that. So much more. I'm currently working on merch for everyone. I've got a couple graphics designers working on a couple things right now. We're kind of finishing up. We've run into a little snag. I was going to make a website to basically house all my social media and have the merch all in one place. That way it'd be so much easier for you guys to find. Having a little snag with that because it seems that Teespring does not want to integrate with anything right now. So I'll be looking at seeing if I can make that work, and if I can, we'll put it all together. Worst case scenario, it'll be a hyperlink in it, and you'll have to go to the site to actually get the to actually see the styles. But let me tell you, they are awesome. We've seen a couple previews already, and our graphics designers are knocking it out of the park. So it's going to be something that I think that you guys would want to have. Let's see. So everything's housed into that website for an all-in-one, one-stop shop. If anybody would like to help and got any ideas, feel free to leave them in the comments as well. I'm more than open to any comments that you have, because this is all new to me. I've never edited video. I've never done production. I've really never even kept up with like the audio video for streaming before. I've done like little bitty things here and there, but never this extent. So thank you for all your help that you're gonna give me, that you've already given me to this point. I just can't wait to see this channel grow and see where we're at a year from now. I'm more than hopeful that we'll that we'll possibly get with a partnership program, and maybe we can do even more stuff later on when this gets bigger. But the more feedback that I get from you guys, the better this channel is going to be. I got a couple more things that I've got to run through, that I've got to make sure that I dial in just right. But we'll get there one day. It's a journey. Nobody's going to start up one day and just be like, all professional, I know everything. But if you are, more power to you, because this stuff, it's ridiculous the amount of work that's put into it. You just don't understand until you get into it. So with all the talking out of the way, now you know what to expect from me. You know the drive that I'm going to have, but without your support, this is going to be nothing. So I appreciate everything that you've given to me so far. Even with all the ideas and plans, they'll only be able to come to life as long as we have the support from sponsors, from shops, from just everybody. As long as we can get all that together in this channel, it's going to be so much bigger than you could have ever imagined. And a small town in North Carolina is going to just blow up. And I can't wait to see it. I'm going to leave all my forms of social media in the description below. So you can find me on there too, my Facebooks, my Instagram, all that stuff. So if you're excited as I am for this journey, smash that like button on this video. Click that subscribe button that should be in one of the corners down below, if I got it to work right. And comment what you want to see the most, because with your feedback, I'll make a video on it. We'll do certain parts that you want to see. If you're worried about, like, let's say, the vertical doors on the Camaro, I know there's a lot of people that are like against it and don't understand it, but there's also people that are intrigued by it, that want to stand out with the crowd, and I highly encourage that. If you want to see like videos like that where we just one specific topic, just let me know. I'm going to do the best I can to get all the details in there for you, so you know everything and you know exactly what to expect with it. So with that being said, thank you all for your time. Have a great rest of your day, and welcome to the Sinister Camaro Army.
Perfect.